How to make sentences from the word beautiful. Look, here is the sentences. The flower is beautiful. Look, beautiful is an adjective. We can use adjective after be verb. Be verb means am. Be verb means am, is, are, etc. Right? So the flower is beautiful. This beautiful adjective is describing the noun flower. The flower is beautiful. The painting is very beautiful. This is adjective and this very is adverb. The painting is very beautiful. She has a beautiful smile, right? It is describing this noun smile. Beautiful means if something is beautiful, this means that something is attractive. The butterfly is beautiful. That is, the butterfly is attractive to look at. My cat is so beautiful. The rainbow is beautiful. His toy is beautiful. The snowflake is beautiful. The bird song is beautiful. Our dog is really beautiful. Here is the another sentences, and these sentences are long. The sunrise is beautiful in the morning. Mom's cooking smells and tastes beautiful. These are linking verb, right? Smells, smell, taste, linking verb. We are using here is because we are here cooking is a third person. Cooking is uncountable noun. That is why we have to take singular verb. That is why we will use s at the end of the verb. Mom's cooking smells and tastes beautiful. So after linking verb, we can use beautiful or sensory verb, right? Smell, taste. The stars in the sky, in the night sky, are beautiful. Here we are using are because the subject stars is in plural form. So we have to take plural verb. The ocean waves are beautiful and coming. Grandma's stories are always beautiful. The park in spring looks beautiful. Look, this look is a sensory verb, a linking verb. The park in spring looks beautiful with flowers. The full moon is so beautiful at night. My drawing turned out beautiful. The baby smile is always beautiful. The rainbow after the rain is beautiful to see.